Bahama nuthatch is currently the rarest bird in the world, as none have been seen since 2018. That year, after an exhaustive search, researchers were delighted to find a pair of Bahama nuthatches together and a few more individuals. Prior to this, no Bahama nuthatch had been seen since 2016 because the frequent hurricanes in the Bahamas, as well as invasive species and tourist developments, have caused extreme habitat loss. Unfortunately, after Hurricane Dorian hit in 2019, much of the ornithology community believe that the Bahama nuthatch is now extinct. A viable captive breeding program for the Bahama nuthatch was never established, and there are only fewer than 2 dozen specimens in museum collections around the world.